Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Wednesday Addams from the new Netflix show Wednesday. So to get started, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a shape like this. And then do a rounded shape on the inside. Now I'm going to do a bit of a top lid here. And a little line here underneath. Now I'm going to put a circle here and like a little oval. And I'm going to color the rest in all dark. Alright, so now we can add a few eyelashes. Just little wisps. And we can add a few on the bottom, but they're not going to be as noticeable as the ones on top. Not as long, not as floofy. Now we can do a eyebrow above. And now let's see. Let's give it a little bit of space here and start working on a bit of a nose. Bring a little line down here. And about, let's say, right here. We'll start to curve in here for a bit of a nose. And come on up a bit and then down a bit. And I'm going to round out right here a little bit more. And then we can come on up for another nostril. And then curve on up. And now right here, let's do a little line. And we're going to work on the other eye. So we're going to do pretty much the same thing we did over on this side. And we're just going to try our best to make it match, but it does not have to be perfect. It's all about having fun, practicing, and just drawing. Circle here, little oval, color it in dark. And a little bit of a top here for that eye. Lashes. And bottom here. And a few bottom lashes. And put a little line here in the corners. Alright, so now we're going to do a bit of an eyebrow above this eye. Okay, and now let's give a little bit of space here underneath the nose and do some lips. So I do like a little U shape here, and then come on down, and same on this side. And now we're going to do another little U shape right here, and then come on over, and over on that side. And then come on down and up again. And now we can bring this line further out that way and out that way. And make it a little bit thicker right here and right there. Now let's work on the shape of the face. So I'm going to bring a line down this way and starting to come down underneath the lips, a little bit of a chin, and come on up. And right here, we can start to see a bit of an ear on the side. And up top above the eyes, let's do some bangs. So I'm going to do kind of like a triangle shape here. And her hair is going to be parted here in the middle. And do a curve here, top of the head. And over on this side. And we can do some wisps of hair. And we see a bit of a ear poking out right here too. Now we can do our wisps of hair over on this side. You see I'm starting from the middle and bringing it out, just like your own hair would go. So now I'm going to do a line right here and right here for for the neck, and then I'm going to do the start of the collar of her outfit. And then bring a line down and down the other side. And then right here we're going to have like a triangle shape. And then this line is going to match up with this one, and same over here. Now we're going to have the braided pigtails. So you can see I'm not exactly doing real braids here. I'm just kind of doing kind of like swoopy lines. Besides, when I have this all colored in, you won't really be able to tell if they're braids or not, or just pieces of hair. So another braid over on this side. Okay, and now a line here for start of the shoulders and over on that side. All right, so now we are done our sketch, and I'm going to get started with some coloring. Alright folks, we're finished our drawing of Wednesday Addams. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw next. And thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you had a wonderful day and hope to see you back here for whatever our next drawing will be. Alright everyone, goodbye!